I have written much about the woes and disconnect between business owners and lawyers. While I still value that the law should support business and not the other way around, I have decided to write a little bit about how lawyers are trained to think. There are a couple of reasons for this exposition. The first is to allow business owners an inside look into the mind of lawyers. The second is for our son, who will in about a few weeks' time be entering law school. I hope this will offer him a good roadmap of the path his parents embarked upon so many years ago. One of the reasons of me deciding to go to law school was the 1970s TV series called Paper Chase. In the first episode, Professor Kingsfield told his class that they enter law school with a skull full of mush and leave it thinking like a lawyer. At first, I did not understand what thinking like a lawyer meant. The study of law is essentially different from subjects like STEM, that is, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, in that we analyze human conduct and behavior in complex social systems. These social systems can start with the most simple social unit of a family to highly complex ones involving countries and states. In all these various systems, it is impossible for any human being to memorize all the different rules that operate and govern these different social systems. Therefore, lawyers are trained to think and use a series of tools and methods to think through the problem. In a way, we are like chameleons, able to quickly adapt to a new environment and understand how it works. While there are many tools, a couple of tools stand out as the cornerstone of this unique way of thinking. The ability to spot issues and formulate cogent questions is what sets a good lawyer apart from a poor one. Often, we are given very complex and ambiguous scenarios, and you are required to take a step back, withhold your biases and emotive responses so that you can start to formulate the issues. Next is the skill of looking for patterns and comparing those against what has happened in the past and applying them to the present situation. We have to distinguish what is irrelevant against what is relevant. This is like sifting through a mess of facts to pick those which are relevant to the issues and those which are not. While the theory is not difficult to understand, it takes years and years of practice in order for one to be proficient in these skills. I am still learning. So we come back to the application. How is all this relevant to business owners? If you are looking for success in your business, you need to think right. By thinking right, you will inure yourself from making wrong decisions which may be overly colored by biases. As a business owner, you are also a leader, and your investors, clients, and staff need to trust that you are making decisions that have taken on board all the risk and facts.